In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a Zoom link in your Calendly, making it easier for both you and your clients to schedule meetings with the click of a button. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address. After typing it in, hit Continue. Following this, you'll need to input your password and then click Continue once more. Once logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Look for the Integrations and Apps tab. It's an essential feature that allows you to connect Calendly with other platforms like Zoom. Click on this tab to move forward. Upon entering the integration section, you should easily spot the Zoom integration option. Click on Zoom. Now you'll see two options: Connect Zoom for my organization or Connect Zoom for myself. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're managing an organization, connecting Zoom for your organization might be beneficial. However, if you're setting it up just for yourself, select the individual option. Once you've chosen the suitable option, it's time to sign in with your Zoom email address and password. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to complete the integration process. This step will link your Zoom account to Calendly, allowing you to automatically generate and share Zoom links in your scheduling. With the integration completed, head back to the Calendly homepage. Now it's time to put your new setup into action. Choose a specific workflow or event that you want to associate the Zoom link with. This is particularly useful for meetings or consultations where you need a video conferencing link included. Within your selected event, look for the settings icon and click on it. Once inside the event settings, locate the Edit button. Click on Edit and navigate to the Location section. Here you will see various location options including Zoom. Select Zoom as the location for this event. When you choose Zoom, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom link for each meeting that takes place under this event type. This integration ensures that you and your clients have an easy to access link for all scheduled meetings, streamlining your scheduling process